Yes. Queens, I'm just showing for the queens.
Today is day 2 in Samarkand, and today we are starting the day off with a flying dress photo shoot in a beautiful, beautiful location, which I can't wait to show you how it turns out. So get ready with me as we go on this photo shoot. I know that it's an experience that you're going to definitely want when you come visit Uzbekistan. This is the jewelry I'll be wearing for the flying dress photo shoot. So this is actually what comes with my dress. It comes included in the price. So I'll be wearing this necklace, these earrings, and this crown, all while taking the videos and photos. Under what it is that I will be wearing is a white dress. So that way, because the dress is a bit open, so that way this gives it a nice like under look and obviously not revealing, and that way I can still run around and do my thing. The dress reveal. This is the dress I will be wearing for this flying dress photo shoot. As you can tell, it has a nice long tail. I'm so excited. It's complete without some accessories. Feeling like a princess today.
The little girl with the red dress. So I think it's better to airdrop it.
Mashallah, you look beautiful. Mashallah.
Yeah, you can do it.
are here arriving to the market. Here there's also it. And so let's go inside.
Real apple.
It's good vitamin C.
It is. Maybe.
So this is a queen's. Huh? Queens. I'm just showing her the queens. Yes, here at the back. Have a fresh milk every day.
She got an onions.
Yeah, we will get just one onion. Not much.
That's portions after cutting.
You will be surprised. Yes.
Oh wow. I was not expecting that.
Season with salt. Only salt.
Yes, only salt.
No pepper or spice.
No. So now you can leave it.
And this is just the oil.
Ah, okay. So this becomes
will turn
this.
It is special spice that we usually add.
What?
Fennel or cumin? 15? Like 15. 15. Yes. Yes, 15 minutes.
Yeah.
They need to bake it. After it's baked, they will bake it.
And then the cumin.
This is marshmallow or what?
Kind of marshmallow. And again, this was a kind of traditional candy that people used to, let's say, eat.
So, but you will serve us now, or we have to wait 10 minutes? Only 10
You can, how can I say, we at my house we haven't got such kind of thing. I'm living in a flat. So I just use the kind of the pots.
A pot.
Not too much salt, okay.
There is lots of them. And we haven't
She hadn't got 30s now.
get I want to say get to it. And he just says, I'm just looking like on another video, just go and change them, make them golden.
Yeah. No, it's okay.
Okay. Okay. 3. Yes, very good.
Oh, wow.
How do you say bon appetit here? Anyway,
Marhamat.
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 marhamat. Marhamat. And this is natural probiotic right there with the food, so everything will be digested.
From the bottom. You go this way and you can see it's so amazing.
And then it comes.
Yes, I guess so. Okay.
네.
Oh no, not here. In the bazaar. Where they sell the how do you say?
Yeah. Wow.
What? 네?
Ah.
Okay.
And they eat these.
Ah. Okay.
Okay. Сюда. So after it got, how can I say, meshed very properly, you can touch it.
Oh.
So it
Yeah,
was
that's
divided
very.
into, how can I say, kind of, almost looks like a paper. Okay. Алло. Ака сонитар телефон му кунамда хозир экскурсия ба ман хай. So we need to get it soaked. So all of the water supposed to come from it. And each, how can I say, layer is divided with the cloth. This part of the paper, it's not actually the paper. It's just, how can I say, made up from the leftovers. But still, they can use it. So we were, when we were having a lunch, you see there was a special, how can I say, sink under our plates. So this is what they do.
Oh. We thought it was like recycled stuff. Yeah. But in a way, I guess it is.
This is actually the leftovers.
Oh,
the
wow,
from the
yeah.
silk paper, see?
Oh,
The mixture
wow.
of all of the, how can I say, the inner part is the, how can I say, paper. This looks like this. So this is just the leftovers. And they divide each part and they need to, how can I say, get it dried. In the summertime, it just, how can I say, so here you could see that this is a sornet, yes. Try to do everything, but it's very difficult to sornet, and it's very good in the quality. And this is just an ordinary one. So the ordinary paper, if I'm just once it gets wet, it gets bad. But this one, as soon as we get wet, nothing would happen to this. So we just need to dry it up. As soon as we dry it up, it can be used again and again. And this one is stored just for 100 years, and this one could be stored for 700 years.
Wow.
Okay, let's write a love letter.
So to make your stress to get it smooth. So after it gets smooth, it got smooth, so it becomes very nice. And the master actually, they used to, how can I say, they make a special, how can I say,
This is one I want to get. We went after sunrise, now we're going up to sunset.